What is a variable? By Tech Savvy Code. Imagine that the variable is a box, and the box can contain two properties. One is the name so that we can identify the box, and the second is what it will contain. Each variable can only contain one item at a time. The box can contain different types of data, such as a whole number, which is considered an integer, a decimal number, which is considered a float or a double, depending on the programming language that you're learning, a string, which is anything with quotation marks or normally attached to words or a long sentence, which stands for a string of characters, and a Boolean that represents true or false. Variables are case sensitive and also cannot start off with certain characters. On the left, we have name 1 with a lowercase letter, and on the middle, we have name 1 with an uppercase letter. To humans, name 1 on the left and name 1 in the middle seem to be the same, but because they are case sensitive, name 1 with a lowercase letter versus name 1 with an uppercase letter are not the same. On the right, we have an illegal character. Most programming languages do not allow you to add a number first at the beginning of a variable, as well as most special characters except for an underscore. The most common misunderstanding about variables is how variables have the ability to change. For example, city currently contains New York City. But if I wanted to change this to say Chicago, the variable will update to Chicago and New York will be completely forgotten.